Welcome, viewers! Samaditech is your go-to destination for everything automotive tech. Join us as we dive into the newest gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience. This oxygen sensor tool set includes low-profile, six-sided heads with wire slots, allowing for easy sensor removal without disconnecting the wires. Its compact design provides added strength, even in tight spaces. The kit features an extra deep head for 3/8-inch drives, a low-profile socket for 3/8-inch drives, an offset socket for 1/2-inch drives, and 2 bits for cleaning and repairing damaged threads. All tools are constructed from high-strength chrome molybdenum steel and coated with black oxide to resist rust and ensure durability. The 6-liter oil pump is a handy tool for transferring fluids in cars and machinery. It operates by creating a vacuum with a simple press of the handle, generating powerful suction. The wide base offers stability during use, while the built-in measuring scale allows for easy volume monitoring. Designed for convenience, it includes a 59-inch clear tube to check oil quality and a 42-inch flexible metal intake for reaching deep into the sump. Versatile and efficient, this pump is ideal for handling various automotive fluids. The 12-piece battery terminal clamps are constructed from 6061 aluminum, offering exceptional durability and precision. Designed to prevent corrosion, they help extend the life of your battery. With 12-position connectors, these clamps allow for multiple cable connections, making it convenient for installing audio systems and other equipment. Featuring 6 holes and 6 threaded sleeves, they accommodate a variety of cable types and are compatible with 6 volts, 12 volts, 24 volts, 36 volts, and 48 volts batteries. The set includes special tools and accessories for quick and easy cable connections and fastening. This convenient coin organizer seamlessly replaces the fuse box cover in Subaru models from 2010 to 2024. Crafted from durable ABS plastic with a sleek matte finish, it features an interior rubber mat to prevent coins from rattling. Installation is straightforward. Simply swap out the original fuse box cover for this organizer. It provides a discreet storage compartment for loose change, cards, or cash, adding valuable hidden space to your vehicle's interior. This electronic door lock with password, key entry, and remote control enhances both the safety and convenience of your motorhome travels. Built for top-level security, it features low power consumption, allowing it to last up to 6 months off-grid. A low battery warning ensures you're never locked out unexpectedly. You can unlock your motorhome effortlessly using a key, password, or remote control, making it especially handy for kids and seniors. The package includes the lock, 2 remote controls with a 98-foot range, a user manual, and all required tools for easy installation. This mobile battery source starter packs a sturdy 1,500 amp top contemporary, offering sufficient energy to leap-start vehicle engines up to 6 liters for fuel and 5 liters for diesel, with the ability to do so as much as 30 times consecutively. Its IP67 waterproof casing ensures dependable operation even in rainy situations. The built-in LED flashlight offers 3 modes: ordinary, SOS, and strobe, making it on hand for camping, emergencies, and other outside activities. Beyond jump-starting, it serves as the excessive potential strength financial institution for charging smartphones, drugs, and extra, with up to 2.1 amp output. Modern protection capabilities consist of short-circuit, reverse polarity, and overheating protection, ensuring a secure, flexible answer for sore, starting lifeless batteries. The smart rear-view mirror features dual cameras, a 4K front and a 1080p rear camera. You can easily switch between front, rear, or split-screen views by scrolling the display. Using media streaming technology, it delivers real-time footage, enhancing visibility and reducing blind spots. The integrated GPS displays speed and travel direction, embedding GPS data into all recordings. With an optional kit, parking monitor mode ensures security while apart. WDR technology enhances nighttime clarity, while loop recording overwrites old footage. The G sensor locks impact-detected videos, and the USB-C interface allows faster data transfer. It supports memory cards up to 256 gigabytes. This USA flag window decal for Dodge Ram pickup trucks is made from durable matte black self-adhesive vinyl, offering water and UV resistance. Its high-quality digital print ensures lasting clarity and durability, making it difficult to see inside the truck. The sticker is easy to apply to the truck's glass and can be removed without leaving residue, making it a long-lasting favorite for tuning enthusiasts and those who appreciate patriotic designs. This set of 5 sanding and polishing sponges is perfect for refining paintwork, waxing, and eliminating scratches or blemishes on vehicle surfaces. Each sponge is color-coded to indicate its purpose: green and yellow for heavy-duty scuff and scratch removal, orange for medium-level sanding and minor paint corrections, blue for detailed polishing, and red for final polishing and waxing. With dual sizes, 6.5 inches on one side and 6 inches on the other, these sponges are made from high-quality rubber, making them both flexible and durable. They're also reusable, easy to clean, and attach effortlessly to polishers with a Velcro fastener. This automatic charger is tailored for 6 volts and 12 volts lead-acid batteries, compatible with fully discharged maintenance-free batteries, including gel and AGM types. Equipped with multi-level protection, it safeguards against incorrect connections, short circuits, overvoltage, and other irregularities. The moisture-resistant casing ensures durability, and it automatically progresses through 5 charging stages before switching to maintenance mode. A clear visual display keeps you informed with real-time charging status and diagnostic details. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and convenient to use anywhere. Rat's Garage synthetic clay is perfect for polishing and thoroughly cleaning your vehicle's paintwork. It efficiently removes embedded dirt and imperfections that a standard wash can't reach, resulting in a smooth, polished finish. This innovative polymer clay works faster than traditional clays and can be used with a wash solution or specialized spray for lubrication. Designed to handle up to 24 vehicles, it lasts 3 times longer than conventional clays. If dropped, simply rinse with water to remove any dust, and it's ready for reuse. The Billet Tools Spark Plug Wrench set features a 10 to 45 pound-foot preset Torx wrench, along with 14mm and 16mm magnetic swivel bits, 9/16, 5/8, 18mm, 3/4, and 13/16 of a bit, plus a 10-inch extension. Its 90-tooth wrench head rotates with just a 4-degree movement, ensuring precision with an audible click when the desired torque is reached. The chrome vanadium steel bits are durable, resistant to heat, corrosion, and dirt, with various bit sizes for accessing modern engine plugs and chamfered edges to prevent slipping. This set is neatly organized in a labeled box for professional-grade spark plug maintenance. This 77-piece tool set is equipped with socket wrenches and taps in both inch and metric sizes, making it indispensable for professional tapping tasks. It features double-sided socket wrenches compatible with round and hex taps, along with leather handles that allow for easy, precise turns without hand twisting. The set's twist lock guide system minimizes slippage and keeps taps centered during operation. Constructed from high-quality, hardened materials with a special coating, these tools are built to last, delivering clean, accurate threads. An ergonomic handle design ensures comfort, while the compact plastic case protects the tools from damage. That's it for today's video on automotive accessories. Be sure to subscribe for more content and leave a comment with your thoughts.